Ding dong. Mixed nuts. Alright, cool. Let's do this. I can smell it already. It smells nice. But again, starts from underneath halfway. Like, why do they do this? You know that clip, that meme, when the guy's like, why the fuck would you show me something if I can't have it? That one. That's what I feel like. A great way to enjoy your munching with this high-grade mixed nuts in a pack. Alright, cool. I liked it. I'll give this a 7. By the way, I got all this stuff from Minasu. I think that's the name of the shop. I got myself some good snacks. Alright. Yeah. I'm happy.